In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out Bookmap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reveal more of the market's recent history on your screen, so you can see the bigger picture without losing your place. Start by moving your mouse cursor directly over the chart. This matters because Bookmap responds to where your cursor is. The chart is the main area showing the heat map of liquidity, price candles or markers, and the time axis along the bottom. Make sure your cursor is inside this chart area, not hovering over panels, menus, or other controls. When the cursor is over the chart, Bookmap treats that spot as the center of any zoom action, so placing it well ensures you zoom out around the area you care about. With your cursor positioned, scroll the mouse wheel backward, which usually means rolling the wheel toward you, or downward. Take it slowly at first. A gentle backward scroll tells Bookmap to zoom out a little, revealing a broader view of the market. As you continue to scroll backward, the timeline along the bottom expands to show more data from earlier moments, while the price scale on the right compresses so more price levels fit on the screen. This gives you that wide-angle perspective traders use to spot context, like where liquidity has been building or how price has been interacting with key levels over a longer stretch. Keep your cursor steady as you scroll, so the zoom remains centered where you want it. If you want the entire view to open up evenly, try placing the cursor near the middle of the chart before you scroll. If you want to focus on a particular region, position the cursor over that area so it stays in view as you zoom out. You'll notice the heat map bands, volume bubbles, and order book activity become more compact as the chart makes room for additional history. That's normal and expected. The idea is to see more context at once. If you need a bit more, keep scrolling backward in small increments until you reach a comfortable overview. If nothing appears to change, make sure the chart is the active window and the cursor is still over it before trying again. That's all it takes. Cursor over the chart, then scroll the mouse wheel backward to zoom out and display more data. Practice it a few times and you'll quickly develop the feel for how much to scroll to get the view you want.